In the early beginning of 3411 Heaven, we released a video of the Sony XB01 Extra Bass Bluetooth speaker. But today, just like in our videos, we have really stepped things up, and we have the mother of all Bluetooth speakers for the low price of $130, link in the description. We are going to be taking a look at, give me a second, the QFX PBX-100 Bluetooth Party on Wheels speaker. But before we do that, I do have to ask you something. If you could go down, click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and drop a like on this video, because I know you're going to enjoy it. That would really help us out. But for now, let's roll the intro. Now, similar to the computer case that I recently unboxed, this thing is going to be a heck of a time to get out. Thanks to my dad, James, he provided us this lovely speaker as my Christmas present, and boy, it is quite cool. We open it up to reveal protective. Throw that out of the way. A large plastic bag, don't put it on your head, kids. And then we get to the speaker, and we find that it's 31 pounds. Yup, it's like a 3-year-old. 31 pounds. As well as some other things. I'm just going to take this, scooch it to the side. And there we have it. This is a workout. The speaker itself claims to be 6,000 watts. I don't think that's true, but it's a valiant effort on their part. But it does have two 10-inch woofers that drive this sucker. Now, in order to actually make it portable, there are wheels on the bottom, as you can see, as well as a telescoping handle. But for now, since we have to put it on the table, there are some little feet here, and we will place it this way. Whew, hefty. In the bag, the charger is a 12-volt adapter of sorts, basically what goes into the brick in your laptop. And also, you can charge it off your car battery when you're out and about with this little guy. In addition, a remote, and then some cables to hook it up to a 3.5 millimeter to the right and left. Let's show you the business end of this thing though, on the back. Ow! This is a metal table if you couldn't tell. We'll see that there is a screen here, equalizer, the plugins for the wires. This is hard to do backwards. The right, left, where you put the charger in, the power button, and then the various controls for volume and for mic. There is a mic input here. Power button and wire. Sorry, this is like trying to act in a mirror. The power button and then the button for the LEDs. One thing that I will say is two comparable speakers that are usually $350. This thing is pretty slick. My favorite part is probably the least of concern for anyone, and that is that this has a FM transmitter on it. So tuner. Yeah, look at that. But now we're actually going to give you a sound test. So first off, I'm going to power it on. We're going to have the mic turned off because we don't have a mic. You can also connect the guitar to this. Let's get this in party mode. That's right, LED lights. We're going to start you soft here. We're going to keep it at low volume. I'm going to put it in Bluetooth mode. You can also put in an SD card, USB, or micro SD card to play songs off of that, but Bluetooth seems to be the easiest. In total, this boasts 24 hours of playtime. From the reviews on Amazon, though, I don't know if anyone's actually played it that long, but you for sure get at least 8 hours from what I saw. So, that's fun. Oh, jack's hooked up. Wait, no.
Must be you.
Oh shoot, my phone's hooked up. Before I get started though with the actual music, you can pair this with other speakers of this size. I think 2 for sure. I don't know if you can go more than that, but you can do multiple. So we're gonna get this started here. It's really loud.
Yeah, definitely clip the mic.
Yeah, we clipped the mic. So anyways, I really can't show off how loud this is, but it is pretty dang loud. It gets the party pumping. A couple weird things I found with this are the equalizer really does have a lot of impact on actually the volume level. So I just put it cranked up because hearing loss, we can deal with that. I like things loud. Another thing is that even if you have the volume up a little and the bass all the way up, the bass is on a separate like level channel. So even if you have the volume super low and the bass super high, you're going to hear a lot of bass, which can be good or bad depending how you like it. I really don't mind it because I always have the bass probably at 3/4 no matter what volume that I'm listening on. Overall sound quality, it's not going to be like a Bose speaker, but for what it's meant for, going out on the beach, hanging out with your friends, and having that loud speaker to keep the party pumping while you're doing some jumping and whatever else you do in those atmospheres. None of my friends invite me to those types of things, but now I can have the party for myself. That said, go check it out for yourself in the link in the description. $130, keep the party rolling. Great gift for anyone who likes going out on a boat and doesn't have a built-in speaker system, or someone who's going camping, or if you just want something for the backyard. Either way, something that you should do, even if you don't check it out, is go down and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, and also show us some support in the comment section, because not many people comment, but we really like responding to you. But that's all I got for you today, folks. We'll see you in the next video. Bird out.